In my last video, you saw my AI avatar switch from English to Spanish instantly. It wasn't dubbed, and the lip sync was perfect. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build it. Open HeyGen and create a new landscape video. Then, select your custom instant avatar. Step 1. In the first scene, simply type your English script. Step 2. Look at the timeline. Click the plus icon to add a completely new scene. Step 3. Paste your Spanish text into this new scene. Step 4. This is the secret sauce. Click the audio settings. Do not use your original voice clone. Instead, search for Spanish and choose a native voice like Alvaro. That's it. This forces the AI to remap the lips for Spanish phonetics. When you hit submit, it becomes one seamless video. If this helped, hit subscribe.
I don't actually speak Spanish, but watch this gracias a la inteligencia artificial. Puedo sonar como un nativo al instante.